trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you.
Good morning all. How are we doing? Hope everyone is well. Hope you are all well, YouTube chat. Hope we're all well in Zoom. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Let me just check on all systems go here. Just making sure all systems go. You know the drill. Looks like we're all good. All systems do good. Morning. All right. So let's get ahead with the analysis here. I think that's gonna be the simplest here. Doing good, man. Doing good. Hope you're well. And yeah, definitely interesting spot here on GJ. So previous daily is closing bearish here, right? Previous daily closing bearish here at resistance, and we do have a rejection wick from the downside. Now, just because this one daily candle, it exactly rejected our weekly resistance, so we do have to be careful. It was nice to see that zone respected and managed to actually take profits right at this wick here, surprisingly, and that's pretty cool to see. And basically now we're rejecting that weekly resistance, closing the daily bearish, but still in this range. So until we really start breaking the daily low is where sells really make sense for me, because if you look at the 4 hour, we're closing bullish at support, so we're essentially back in the same range as yesterday, and the trade becomes the same. If we close above this 4 hour resistance here, we could see some upside easily to around 900, 185, and then, you know, continue bullish. If we don't, then I think sells is going to make sense below kind of like 184, especially below this type of zone, 184, 100. Selling in this session now, if we go down on the time frames, we can see, I think, you know, if we are going to try sell, it's going to be below 400. But when you start to go on 30 minutes and 15 minutes, such a choppy zone that it's quite tough to sell. So probably for sells, what I would like to see is targets form, pullbacks to continue down bearish. So that's something I'll populate for sells. If we continue creating resistance here, what I might try today is something a little bit tricky, which is if I see change of structure from the top of the range, I can rely on this range to hold me bearish, and I can take sells from the top here to get down to the bottom of the range. But for now, things are populating bullish. We have 1 hour candles rejecting, so until really we start having 1 hour candles closing bearish, there's no real sells for me. You know, and really I think, you know, we're still holding some upside pressure here, and I think buys above this resistance give us a nice range to trade up into around 900s, you know, which is around you know, a 22 pip range, right? A 22 pip range. So definitely a tradable range here, and sells for me is not the cleanest at the moment. So that's basically my plan on GJ. I think Tradingview, is it working for me? Yeah, it's working for me. Looks like Dubai servers are back up. For some people, Tradingview is not working. So let's have a look at gold here. Big news push yesterday with gold, continuing this bullish pressure here, as we can see based on that daily time frame closing bullish, right? So daily time frame close bullish, nice retest to the daily open, and then we flipped and news gave us the push towards the upside, and that was just a pullback. So looking at the current daily time frame, I don't see, if we break this current daily high, we could push up to around this daily resistance at around 142.640. That would be an achievable target here at daily resistance in terms of daily. For the session, after such a big push, sometimes it just cools off a little bit, so I won't be surprised to see price cool off a little bit, especially at this 4 hour resistance where we are at right now. This kind of 4 hour resistance zone right here. If my Tradingview will work. Yeah, Tradingview is a bit slow and my computer is. So yeah, this 4 hour resistance is going to be a watch zone for sure. And anything closing above this 4-hour resistance will give you clean opportunities in NY. And you should be able to continue up bullish. In terms of pullbacks to continue, let's have a look what I'm populating on lower time frame. Yeah, I mean, if this just continues in this range here, you're just going to play in this range. Buying from the bottom of the range makes sense to continue up. Selling when it breaks this range is not a good idea. You need price to break down fully and see a resistance form below the range to continue down bearish. Just selling once it breaks the low here, bad idea. This is where you're going to get your fake outs, and this is where a lot of people lose trades because they think they can reverse the whole news move. Wait for some sort of resistance to continue price down bearish. So that's basically gold. Gold in London, wouldn't be surprised if it just ranges for the rest of London, to be honest. That's how gold has been basically. As for news today, let's have a look at what news we have. Today is going to be Thursday. Yeah, pretty clean. Bit of PCE news and an unemployment claims as well, which this could, you know, bring in a retracement on gold here. They're expecting unemployment to go slightly up, which we'll see. If unemployment goes slightly up, then we will see how will that impact gold. I think that will make gold go down, I believe. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, not Thursday. Today's Wednesday. Sorry, Wednesday. My bad. We have ADP today. Yeah. My bad. Yep. My bad. So yeah, ADP is big. This is gonna be, they expect this to go down drastically here. Huge number shifts. So yeah, I know. Morning. What can I do, man? What can I do? So yeah, they expect these numbers to go down. Last numbers came out higher than expected. So they're expecting employment not to be as high. More US non-farm payrolls, wage growth. I think it will come back higher than expected. The reason why is because US has been growing faster than they want it to grow. They don't want the economy to grow this fast because this is bad for inflation because things get more expensive. So they maybe have to cut, yeah, it pushed dollar down exactly. So we'll have to see how this comes back. This will be interesting actually to see how this comes back. Yeah, this is interesting to see. Because if spending is going up, that means that inflation is... maybe they're being too aggressive. But it'll be interesting to see. If it does go up, you'd probably see... yeah, gold continue probably up as well. Yeah, because dollar would become weaker a little bit. Yeah. It's going to be interesting. You might see another push here, you know, which will be interesting to see. Made money after stream yesterday. Yeah, I did post a trade for you guys to see. We did take the same trade we planned in London session. I did post it in here in Harry's trade. You guys can see the trade we took yesterday. Come on, guys. You guys so tired. Only 3 fire reactions? What's going on, guys? Come on. Light it up. At least see 10, 15 fire reactions. Yeah, this is the trade we took yesterday. We planned this on street, but the setup came in NY, was the close above. And yeah, we took this in the exclusives. When, yeah, in the exclusive we were on stream and it came pretty early. Nice clean trade. This is the free Discord, but the Discord that the trade was taken in is the exclusive group, which is closed until next month. How do you handle stop losses and risk management on your account? Thank you. I keep blowing my account. Well, you're risking too much. Only risk 1 to 3% on your account and you'll never blow an account. And then just make sure to put stop losses in logical place. You have to have a plan to be able to have a stop loss, right? So the free Discord is in the description, and in chat you can join the free Discord. I'd recommend to do it. Hey Harry, do you trade gold and GJ or only GJ? I mostly trade GJ in a London session because it's the cleanest for me and it's the highest results. So if I have the highest results, then I'm gonna trade that. So yeah, pretty clean analysis on the chart, guys. You know what I'm gonna ask for now. Let's hype the stream up. Let's get the day started, guys. We're here to do a task. Yesterday was very fortunate. Whoever took the trade yesterday, congrats. There were two options. Let me know in chat. I saw in the Discord yesterday. We'll have to scroll up a little bit, but people did take the trades we discussed on stream. It was really nice to see that people took these trades in London session. Let's have a look if it will load here. So people did take the trade on stream. Look at this. People got it when we were talking about buys from the bottom of the range. Risky option, but people got it. People got the trade that we talked about on stream. It just came later. Nothing we can do about it, that it just came later. And yeah, we just continue moving on. So at the end of the day, then the next setup came in New York, but I don't stream New York, but I was in the group with the guys on New York and we caught the trade. So the plan remained the same. So if you guys listen to the plan and execute, this is where you're gonna do well, right? So yeah, if you guys enjoying the stream, you know what I'm gonna ask. Can we do the YouTube business? 300 of us in here this morning, nice and early. Appreciate every single one of you joining up. Really does help if you leave a like on the stream. I know it sucks to say, but it's part of the game. So if we could do the YouTube business, I'd appreciate it. At least get to 200 likes, and then I don't have to ask for a while, right? I can keep quiet. I took the trade we discussed here. Yeah, this is exactly what I want to see. You caught the trade as well, made 220 min. Amazing, man. This is exactly what I want to see. So this is the skill that I'm trying to develop with the stream, is that if we stream, it's not always guaranteed that we get a trade in that time period. But if you guys have the plan and you've been listening in the stream and you show up to the streams regularly, you can take the trades after the stream because you know what you're doing. What lot size do you use? Well, depends on the stop. You know, around 8 to 10. If a bigger stop, reduce it to 6. You know, risking 4 figures per trade, man. Just trying to risk 4 figures per trade. Only 110 likes, everyone's asleep? Yeah, man. Everyone's sleeping, man. They just want signals. I'm not some big fancy trader popping 50 lots here, man. Just a regular guy sharing my experience. People vibe with me, they don't. And I like to share value, not profits. Everyone shows profits, which you can't prove. I show the trades. You take that as you will, right? That's the valuable thing. Profits is just indicative of what someone is comfortable risking. It doesn't show the skill. The skill is being able to trade every single day and show that you can do this after time. Half a lot for 5k account? I think that's perfect, man. I think that's perfect. Do you have 11 lot? Yeah, I've popped a 12 before. I punched the like? Maybe that counts as like 5 likes. Other than that, everything's fine. You like the new logo? Thank you, thank you. Glad you like the new logo. What was the plan here? I'm possibly looking for something above 671 for buys. Yeah, it was bugged on my phone. Yeah, that's the saying, man. That's the saying, Professor. Morning, Harry. Morning, man. Hope you're well. What are you looking for, GJ, in this morning? Possible buys above this zone here. New subscriber, thank you, thank you. Welcome. AUD USD opinion, what do you think? How did you learn to trade like this? Experimentation, backtesting, trying different things, watching videos. GJ entry please. Press buy and sell. Whichever one goes into profit, close it. That's your signal for today. Do you need a close above? Yeah, we'll see how. I want to take a trade by only after 10 a.m. So definitely waiting for this candle close. If it can close above nicely, make a bottom wick, we should be good. Last candle has no bottom wick. Is that a concern? No, because it's closed. When the candle's closed, not a concern unless it's the direct candle we're entering on. I just joined your live. Guys, if you just joined my live, I'm not going to keep repeating and repeating and repeating. That's not fair on me, guys. You just rewind the live and you'll find the plan. Or you say, I joined late. Is your plan to do this? Do you agree? Maybe that's a good way to be proactive. Hey, I'm planning to join on September. Should I register now and stay on the wait list? Or will spots be available on 0409? Yeah, I'm not going to do a wait list. I'm just going to open the group then. And yeah, maybe I do a wait list. Depends. I just don't want too many people joining at once. So I will just open spots on 0409. But yeah, you're welcome to join, man. I'm sure you'll get a spot. Just making sure that I'm controlling it. I want to make sure that it's controlled. Everyone is taken well care of. Are we looking setup 3 here? No, that wouldn't be setup 3. What setup would it be? It would be setup 1, right? How long do you keep those old lines? Until they become non-relevant. If they're not relevant, I'll remove them. Is Tradingview having issues? Yeah, I believe so. It is having issues. Gonna join once open. Can't wait to be part of the team. Yeah, man, you're welcome. Look forward to having you. I can actually speak to you, not through chat. Got a back tester. Nice. Teamwork, make the dream work. I'ma join soon. Yeah, nice, man. I like all of these guys. Yeah, that's my goal, to have a nice community, and that's what we want. When do they become non-relevant? When do you think they become non-relevant? When it's passed through a couple of times, right? If it's not being respected recently, or if prices pass through it, it's not relevant anymore. What's the analysis and plan for today? You see, guys, this is what I'm saying. Another guru is upselling. How am I upselling? People are asking me, bro. Come on. It's closed. If I wanted to sell, I would keep it open. It's not even open. This is ridiculous, man. Look at these comments. So funny, man. It's so funny. It's like he's upselling. I didn't even sell. Upselling means, if you go look at the definition at upselling, it means to sell someone a product and then try sell them something else. Where I'm here on stream for free, not selling anything because it's closed, and people are asking me questions, and I'm saying they're welcome to join. It's so it's turning people away. Exact opposite. Why am I limiting my members? Because I'm not in it to just have a group full of members and random. I'm actually in it to build a community. And to build a community, you need to manage how many members come in, and I want to make sure everyone who comes in I know, because I know everyone. Yeah, quality over quantity. I'm not scared to kick someone from the group and refund them. It's no issue for me. Like, I just want to make sure that everyone that comes in the group is well guided. They feel, you know, comfortable, and you just take it and go. You know, so that's why I limit my members. If I just was to open it, you know, so many people would come in randomly, and then it gets too hectic, and maybe I don't want that person in the group. I spend a lot of time in the group, so I want to enjoy my time in the group as well, and I want other people to enjoy it there. I'm not upselling, I'm asking for the plan. Rewind the stream, brother, come on. You know that I can't, like 20 people ask me the same question. A very important question here. What do you think about GT3 versus GT3 RS? That's a very important question. I believe if you can get your hands on the RS, yeah, of course. But, you know, it's impossible to even get your hands on the GT3, let alone the RS. So, very, very tough. But, of course, the RS is unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's a beauty. Bro, everyone is not like you who knows every term in Forex. You should not act like this. What term in Forex? I'm not acting on any term. Upselling has nothing to do with Forex, bro. Upselling has to do with sales. Just made $10, didn't even realize. Damn. How can you get the free spot and the exclusive? Probably Friday. Friday stream, I will announce the winner of the giveaway. So make sure to join Friday's stream. And make sure you're following on my Instagram, because the winner will be announced on the Instagram, and they have to be following me on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you're not going to be able to be entered in the giveaway. And plus, why won't you want to follow Tradesharpe on Instagram? Come on, you know, you don't like Tradesharpe or something? Ideally, we want to get to 3K followers, and then we do the giveaway. I'll do one more extra giveaway if we get to 3K followers. Here's the link of the Instagram. Make sure you're following. RS isn't worth the extra money. Rather get a 911 Turbo S. Well, depends if you want to track it. I don't think the Turbo S is nice for daily, but not track it. You can't beat an RS. Good day, guys. Welcome, welcome. How do you spot the right time and right volume? You trade the same times and the same setups in and do that consistently. So that's why the stream is the same time every day, because we trade the same, right? I don't really use Insta. Yeah, it's for people who use Insta, can just drop a follow. Looks like we're trading AUD USD. Who has plans? Let's see what we have in here. Legacy center plan. Let's see his plan. I think this is UJ. Yep. Sells below, buy above. What's the bias? I think that's a bit late to buy above. So let me see what your bias is. USD JPY. 15-minute did not close above on GJ, by the way, guys. So daily close bearish. Yep. 4 hours is closing. 2 4-hour candle closing bullish. Yeah, this is your watch zone. Right here, right? Which is yesterday's range. So you want to buy above yesterday's range. It is the safest. Yeah, I think, yeah, above this area here. A little bit earlier than yours. But you're correct. Not this one. The one just below. Yeah. I think you're fine. Yeah, where your 4-hour line, instead of you want to buy from here to that resistance and see what happens here, instead of buying here. So that becomes like a small target. But yeah, your plan made sense. I like it. So current 50, no bottom wick. This is also the 1 hour close. 1 hour ended up closing bullish here, which is nice to see. But we need a bottom wick here. We need a bottom wick. 1 hour has no bottom wick, and in 58 minutes it could flip and make a bottom wick. And if you're in a buy, you don't want to hold the drawdown of that bottom wick. So I'd prefer to see this flip, make a bottom wick, and then something close above this zone for us to continue bullish. And since the 1 hour closed bullish, we could just use a 15, maybe a 5 minute, even thunderstorm will make sense. I think some of this group intent is to trigger me. Probably, man. Probably. I won't disagree with you. Bias is mixed, bearish, or yeah, it is mixed. I think as a beginner, you should stick to trading patterns first. I don't think patterns. You should just stick to learning the basics of your markups and your bias. That's the best thing as a beginner. Do you have a video on what a zone is? Yeah, I do have a basic video on trading zones. It's on my YouTube channel. Oh, man. I hope my stream hasn't crashed. Okay, we're good, we're good. Trading zone. It's literally called trading zone. It's literally called trading zones. Yeah, here, trading zones. This one right here. You didn't mark the 4 hour support? Where's the 4 hour support? I'm not too worried about this. It's a small one, and you know, it's passed through it a lot of times here. The wicks, you know, we passed through it yesterday pretty easily. It's a tough zone in this zone anyways. That's why I'm waiting for a nice close above. Hopefully this flips and make a bottom wick now. The stream is solid. I loved it. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome. How did the show go? Thank you so much. It was a great experience. I'm going to be sharing more about it. And more things that I learned. I mean, there was so much stuff that happened. Did not place any top 3. Was a stack class. I got put in a wrong, well, I chose a wrong division because people were not in my weight category. They were like 10-15 kg heavier. I should have gone in my weight category, but it's always like that with the first one. You can't get everything perfect, but I'm happy that with the package I brought, and now we enjoy the working out process. I enjoy it anyways, and yeah, I'm grateful for it. Harry, I was planning to take the same trade, but you didn't. Can you explain the trade so I can be confident to enter next time? Yeah, it was just simply yesterday. Remember, we had this range and we said if anything can close above the range, we'll look for buys. Well, we got that close above the range. After getting the close above the range, I simply just waited for the break of the high. Come on, Tradingview, bro. I simply just waited for the break of the high and took that trade to weekly resistance. Once it pushed a little bit past weekly resistance, I said anything on 1 minute closing below weekly resistance, I'll close. And I just closed, take profit there. Put stop loss below this candle here. And that's the trade. Pretty simple. Close above the range. We were ranging all day. Failed to break down. Close above the range. Clean candle to the left. Continue up bullish. Morning, you're new. You'll watch the vids. Can you explain on the wicks? Yeah, watch the videos first. It will explain all of these wicks and everything a lot quicker. And it will be easier for you to understand. Am I in? Come on, man. What type of question is this, man? You know, I don't know if this is a dirty question or So what? Which pairs do I like to trade? I'm a man of GJ. Sometimes the more trade, the less you get. That's true indeed. The more you trade, the more you'll gain data and testing. Not necessarily, because you'll be gaining data that is in wrong times to trade. There's no point of doing work that is not relevant to when you'll actually be trading. You have to gain relevant data. Caught yesterday's sell. Nice. Morning from Zambia. Remember the YouTube business? You know it, my man. Welcome, welcome. If you guys haven't already, leave a like on the stream. Really would appreciate it. We need to get to at least 200 likes here. 400 of us in here. You know, it's the YouTube business. The less I have to ask, the better, because it's annoying to say that I sound like some random YouTuber, but it's necessary. Otherwise, people get lost paying for courses with some guy with a Lamborghini who's showing you a Lamborghini, not how to take a trade. Only trade in the afternoon when I can. Yeah, exactly. So you want to be testing in that time period to make sure you can gain data on relevant information. Oh, come on, GJ. You were so close to making a bottom wick. Just make it. How long have I been trading? Over 3 years. Fanuel, huh? Flowers to you and your chat. Thank you, man. Can I start now? Can I start now that you're here? First time? Loving the vibe? Thank you, man. That's how we keep it. That's it. We set the plan in the morning. We have the plan, and now we wait for the trades. And while we wait for the trades, we vibe. Live streaming more fun than Netflix? Yeah, it's fun. It's fun if you have a plan and you just wait for your trades, and you know it's nice and simple like that. Must be annoying answering the same questions every day. Depends on the question. I mean, I'm pretty much used to it, but yeah, some questions are annoying. I like hearing other people talk to candles. Oh yeah, I definitely. It's fun when trading as a group. Yeah, hell yeah, man. Trading as a group, having a community is super nice. Some people you can just send stuff to. It's like constantly being active. It keeps you accountable. That's the biggest thing I found, is when I started trading, I was never accountable because I didn't have individuals around me to force me to keep accountable. Like if you have to share your trades in a group and gain feedback, you're going to make sure to put good stuff. Dark meat or white meat? Both. Question like, yeah, that question, man. Thanks for the stream. I start to understand the concept. Hopefully the confidence will come. Exactly. That's why I don't always like to... that's why... Come on, Sing, man. Come on. Yeah, that's why sometimes after stream, you know, I like to see people take positions. When you're in a group, you become sharp. Yes, sir. Some argue teaching is the best way to learn. I think teaching builds a lot of confidence. That's why in a group, it's good to be able to help other individuals, right? It's just beneficial. I'm telling you, it's an environment. The environment you surround yourself dictates the path of where you're going. If you surround yourself in an environment of people willing to get better and who are not bullshit and who are not just like here to take signals and waiting to be spoon-fed, that's useless. You're not going to get anywhere. But if you surround yourself with an environment that is of people wanting to get better and you're helping those people get better, you're going to improve yourself. It's inevitable. Nah, it's not pronounced Sharpie. Come on, man. Sharp. How about ICT? Nah, I don't trade that stuff. Do you think it's an LTA? Yep, it is an LTA. How are you, bro? All good, dude. Taking a shower? Well, that's when the trade is gonna come. You know the trade is gonna come when you take a shower. Any book recommendations about Forex trading? Nah, I think the most popular is Trading in the Zone. If you want to read something, read Trading in the Zone. As for learning technical analysis, just do the work here. Just do the work here. There's enough. What happens when millions of new traders enter Forex in the future? Nothing. More liquidity. You think, you know how much? $5 trillion is traded in the Forex market daily. 5 trillion. You think an extra $1 trillion is gonna do much? No. And do you think these new traders are gonna bring an extra $1 trillion? Highly unlikely. Maybe 100 million, maybe a billion, but 5 trillion is already traded. We're nothing in this market, man. We have no influence. And a million new traders, even if a million traders had $100,000 accounts, do the math. What's a million times 100,000? You know, it's not going to impact the market too heavily. And they're all trading different pairs, different assets. It's all different things. No one's trading the same thing. So that it's not going to make a big difference. Yeah, I know, right, man? It's how many times has it wanted to make a bottom wick? Yeah, if we have BlackRock here, BlackRock owns everything. They rule the world basically in terms of money. And Vanguard. 185,471. That's not good. Yeah, but that's well far away. By that time I would have taken profits. Have I ever taken a course? If so, was it worth it? No, luckily I identified that a course was not going to be worth it. Luckily I identified early on a course is not going to be worth it because I realized if someone is just putting information in order, what if I want to ask that person a question? What if I want to get better? Thanks, Salty Man. Yeah, it was super amazing experience. No top threes, but 100% was an amazing experience. I'll talk more about it. Maybe make a small video for the group or something. We talked about it before. I was in a division that was a bit higher weight category for me. I should have been in a different one, but you live and learn. I really enjoyed it though. Do I trade NY session? Yes, just yesterday I traded it. What do you think about negative employment of the US? You think it'll long term affect the value of the USD? I think the growth of the US economy is happening too fast, and the GDP, which is not what they want. They want there to be stable growth. Why don't I use parallel channels? Because they're subjective. What food you eating today? Today's clean, man. Just eat back on plan. I've been back on plan. I mean, you know, just the basics here. Chicken, rice, cream of rice, more rice, beef and rice, oats and eggs. Just found Andrew Tate trades Forex. No, he doesn't trade Forex. He pays people to make a... Yeah, man, I'll tell you about it later on in a New York session. We'll discuss more about it. Someone asked on stream already, so I don't want to keep asking about it. Okay, so this 15-minute candle is closed. 1 hour, still no bottom wick here. And 15-minute no bottom wick. What the hell? I need a bottom wick, guys. I need a bottom wick. This is my setup though, but I need a bottom wick. Especially with the 1 hour no bottom wick. Otherwise, this doesn't follow my rules. I do the same zoom. Oh, yet there is a... This is not a nipple. This is a micro nipple. This is a micro nipple. This is like a really cold day. You know, when you're really cold and your nipple is completely flat. This is one of it. This needs a bit of rubbing on GJ to get this a proper wick. How can you join me in the NY sessions? NY sessions are pimple. Pimple nipple. NY sessions is what's this called? We do it every Tuesday. I go live, and then the members is they go live every day in the group. But that's in the exclusive group. That's how you can join me in New York session. But that is closed. Ian, let's not go there, man. Let's not go there. Beautiful. We do have a bottom wick on this candle. So if it re-breaks its high here, I wonder if we have a trading opportunity to take potential buys. Gonna wait for this 5-minute to close. And would that be a setup number 3? This would be number 1, closure above the range. But I think, guys, I would have to hold a little bit bigger stop here because of the no bottom wick. So my stop loss probably I'll hold somewhere around here just to allow the 1 hour to make a bottom wick. Yeah, I'll probably hold it below the 1 hour support. 17 pip stop. But that's a max stop loss. Yeah, I feel re-breaking its high, we should be good. A pip above its high. Yeah, we can use that as a watch zone, the 4 hour support. So let's see. Close. Did not break on my broker. Tap the high on my broker. Okay, we're in. Stop loss, as I said, gonna keep it here at the 1 hour support. We'll manage with anything closing in here. But yeah, keep it something like this. Yeah, a little below the support is fine, like a pip. I do expect this. I wouldn't be surprised to see price pull back here and then end up going, but we don't know. This could have broke the high and started pushing heavy, so that's why I take the entry then. But I wouldn't be surprised to see this do this. Even, remember, there's no bottom wick on the 1 hour. So we could hold this no bottom wick and then continue. So we might have to hold drawdown for it to make a bottom wick and then it continues. So this is all probabilities, and this is why I don't like having a bottom wick, but we do have the close above, and now we have a bottom wick on this candle, so we should be okay to continue, you know. Would you re-enter? Depends on my risk. I think I'm risking enough. Probably move break even around this zone here. 800s. Yeah, 808, I'll probably move break even just to be careful of this zone. This could be a good break even spot. Or even just a watch. If it starts rejecting this, I can see what it does at entry. This trade could be held longer. Yeah, it could do, but that's not the plan. Plan is to take consistent profits. Remember, 1 hour still does not have bottom wick here. Yeah, we just need to see it break through it, and we don't want to see like the wick tap it and then it starts rejecting. Like if we see the wick tap it and it starts coming to entry, we start making decisions. Maybe close in 1 pip loss and stuff like that. But if we just start breaking through it, or maybe we just tap it, reject a bit, then break through it, we're fine, you know. I would not like to see this 15 close bearish. Just because we pushed up already. Right? You don't want to see it push up and then end up closing bearish. Then you can expect more, not just drawdown. You'd expect it to full deep pullback at that point. If we didn't push up, let's say we were hovering and then we flipped and make drawdown, that's fine. But we pushed up nicely. So we don't want to see it push up, then reject. That looks like a rejection. Normal spread for GJ, you should be around a pip. 1.5 max. 2 pips is hard. It's possible, but it's hard. 2.5 is very hard. What pair am I trading? I'm trading GJ, man. You can see it. Candle close bears, we manage the trade? Not just yet. I think manage the trade below this resistance. Give it some room. Because the trade still makes sense really till it closes below that resistance. Might just want to take some time. And the 30 would have closed above still. No bottom wick? Yeah, that's what I'm watching. That's why my stop loss is a little bit bigger. Normally it would be below the previous candle, but I've just extended it in case it wants to make that bottom wick. Isn't it a good idea? No, I've seen before the next candle open, make a steep bottom wick, break the 30-minute low, and then end up continuing bullish. So I'll maybe keep it 3 pips below that. Look, we've tapped this zone exactly. Look at the rejection we got from this zone. Exactly tapped. And you can see it pull back a little. So if you want to go break even here as an option, I'm going to give it a chance to bounce off my entry. But this is, look at that tap. That's a perfect tap. And it's showing some signs of rejection. But I do still like the 30-minute close here. I still like the 30-minute close. I think it's a good 30-minute close. And if we can break the high, I probably will go fully break even when we break the high. Ah, come on, make a bottom wick. I will move my stop loss to about 2 pips below this low though. This sucks. No bottom wick. Damn, GJ. Give us bottom wick. I have one on my broker. We're fine. I have one on my broker. I have on my broker. We're good. Call the bank fast? No, we can't use that all the time. We can't use that all the time. What is risk to reward? This trade was 1-to-1 basically. Come on, GJ, some volume here. Come on, just give us a nice quick push. Give us a nice quick push till about 900s. Don't give up on us. We need something closing above this resistance here. That will help the trade a lot. So guys on YouTube, listen up carefully here. Since we're rejecting this resistance at the moment, this has a chance to come back to break even. I am basically break even at the moment, but what I'm doing is I'm going to watch if it taps my break even and bounces off. If it doesn't bounce off my break even, I'm just going to close the trade at break even because it's really struggling at this zone. And I don't want, there's no point of losing this trade at the moment. If it wants to push, it wants to push. So I'm watching for reaction at my break even. So if I start seeing price fail and doesn't hold above basically this 5-minute area here and start breaking below this low, I will close at break even for -1 pip or something. That is my plan. So practically I'm break even on this trade and I'll count this as a break. If you want to move your stop loss to break even completely, you can. But the problem is that it might bounce and then you might get stop break even and then it continues. That's why I'm just kind of like mentally break even and will manage basically just manually. That's the word I'm looking for. I would like to see this 5 close above here. Would be great for our trade. Yeah, that's a nice close. Now we just need some volume to push this and we should be good. So come on, GJ, give us some volume here. Let's go, GJ. Come on. Little bit of a push here. Come on, GJ. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, come on. Do it now. Do it now. Now we're talking. Ugh. Yeah, after seeing it re-break its high now, I'm going to move stops to break even, make this risk-free trade. No point of losing this trade right now. No point of this flipping, breaking its own low. So I'm moving break even. Come on, GJ, do it for us. Nice, nice, nice. Come on, let's see some volume here. Nice, GJ. That's what I'm talking about, GJ. Come on. A little bit more. I'm looking to close around 900. Come on, GJ. 900. Give me 900. See what the lower time frame is doing here. Just a quick push to 900. Nice, here we go. Let's go, let's go. Damn, my mouse stopped it. Did you see that? My mouse stopped it. No way my mouse stopped it. It's okay, we're still good. Anything breaking this 1 minute low, I'll close. Anything breaking this 1 minute low, I'll close. If not, I'm still okay to hold here. Come on, quick push to the 30-minute resistance and we're done. Let's do it, GJ. Here we go, here we go. Tap that 30. Oh, don't flip now. Anything breaking that 1 minute low, I'm out. I will secure. Gonna secure a little bit. There we go. And then the rest I'll secure at TP here. See if we can get a nice push here. Here we go. Do it now. That's the pose you want. Let's go, let's go. Hit full TB. Beautiful. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Looking to close here. Looking to close. I'm out. Boom. Let's go. W's in the chat. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. I'm out. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. I'm done for the month. I'm done for the month. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So grateful. That's what I'm talking about. Nice trade. Chat going wild. Let's get it. Yes, sir. No greed, right, guys? Look, no greed. Took profit, not greedy. Took profit there. There's your sniper close from yesterday as well. Right? And you know what I'm gonna do? Look at this. See this X button? Close. Done for the day. Guys, we have 200 likes on the stream. And I just called that W. Look at this thing pushing. Now I'm up for the month around 12%. No, less. Yeah, just around 11% now. 11%. How much profit? 1K. That was only 15 pips here. 15, 16 pips with spread, 15 pips. Beautiful, beautiful. Clean trade, guys. Leave a like on the stream for that. Come on, let's get to 300 likes. Are you guys kidding me? Who's calling out these W's? Come on, man. Let's see it. Let's see it. If you guys haven't already, be sure you're subscribed to join for future streams. We do this live in front of everyone. We do this live in front of everyone. Chat going mad. Damn, GJ's still pushing. I wish I held. Ah, I can't be greedy. Can't be greedy. End of the month, you can't complain. Yeah, I can't complain. Cannot complain. Beautiful win. Let's put this in the stream journal. That was like 15 pips for me. Put it 16 if you held fully. It was a buy, setup number 1. What time did we take this at? Probably... This was the candle close, breaking the high, 10:15. Yeah, 10:15 we took this. $10.15. I need to put the link for this. When was that trade? Nice. Thank God. Thank Harry as well. Thank you, man. Yeah, God bless. Well done. Now remember, guys, today's a winning day, but not every day will be a winning day. You have to treat your losses the same as the wins, because these days will happen often. You will win majority of the time. So when you lose, you can't be salty about it, right? So make sure to do the YouTube business. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel and leave a like. You know what it's like. Update your win. Guys, what is the trading journal is for the people in Tradesharpe community? The trading journal is free. The Tradesharpe community has their own journal. So I make them. This is the Tradesharpe community has an 88% win rate here. And these are the trades they take and who took it. I love to see this. I check it in my spare time. And I'm always keeping track. So I know what BS you guys are doing. I know who's capped. I know people are capping. They're taking losses but not putting it in here. But that's all good. I'll catch you guys. I'll catch you guys. Don't worry. So yeah, make sure you join the free Discord, guys. 85.29. Thank you very much. Sweet. You want to see how many people are capped in this industry? Look at this. Look at this, guys. So we had, this is us. So we were waiting for a trade here. Look at this. Look at this. We're waiting for a trade here. People came into the stream. When we took TP, boom, 150 people left. Take their bet. Take it and go. Right? I mean, come on, man. These people are capped. These guys are gonna reach nowhere. Oh shit, now I've dragged this. How do I drag this back up? Okay, there we go. You guys who are still in chat right now are the real OGs. Respect to all of you. Respect to all of you. You are the guys, the real OGs. You guys are the ones who are going to progress. And the guys in Zoom, they're just like, they're part of the team. So. Love the work and dedication. Thank you, thank you. Beautiful morning. I just woke up and you're just setting up trades. Thanks. No worries, man. Till we all eat. Till we all eat. If you guys took the trade and you're posting it on Instagram, tag me in your stories. Let's go spam the stories. Post the trade on your story and tag me. I'll repost. Let's see it. I want to see everyone who took the trade. So if you guys post trades on your Instagram, tag me and I'll repost. I want to see everyone who took the trade. It'll be nice. Considering joining the new spots on 9 of the 4, you're welcome to do that. Going to the gym, that's my plan. Are you? You are pro? Nah, man, just a retail trader. And that's all you need to be, right? Now, GJ, you can make your 1 hour bottom wick. Yes, sir. You motivated me to go? Amazing. This is what I like to see. Happy. Enjoy the gym, man, and start. Me going to the gym? Hot tub. Thank you, Sammy, bro. Thanks. Need to go to work? Amazing, man. Take care. Thank you for everything as well. Enjoy work. This should continue up. I'm still in. Yeah, until a candle closes bearish. This thing should still continue up. I just decide to take profits end of the month. Can knock someone out with the strong legs. Appreciate you, man. Been going to the gym for 2 years. Best decision I've ever made? Yes. If you guys go to the gym and you started going to the gym because I've encouraged you, tag me as well. I want to see this stuff. This stuff makes me happy. Yeah, if I know someone who goes to the gym, I know they have very special characteristics. I know someone serious. I see a lot of potential in people who go to the gym. Because I know they're disciplined. I know they're hardworking. I know they want to get better. It's in them. It's in them to get better. It's in them to be hardworking. It's in them to be, especially if they follow a meal plan, this person can reach far if they just apply the same concepts somewhere else, right? And when they do, they do well in that place. Man, I'm new here. Welcome, welcome. Seeing sweaty men makes you happy? No, I want to see them in, like, to prove they went to the gym. I don't want to see them sweating. I don't want to see any, don't even see a picture of them, please. Not that, man. Come on. You took a personal trader who trades Forex? Yeah, man. It's such an accessible industry. Unfortunately, it's full of idiots. Right? After this win, no need. Exactly. That's what I was going to say, man. Exactly. Yeah. That's why I said last trade. No need to force. Relax, cruise, and then we go. Unreal ladies in most gyms? Yeah, man. That's a delicate situation there. Eating, working out, sleeping, and grinding every day non-stop. That is it, man. It's a delicate situation here, Luke, man. Delicate situation here. It's not that. Only reason getting back into trading, I'm glad it can spark. This website's called Tradingview, brother. Problem when your wife goes with you. Damn. You're the GOAT. Keep doing what you do, brother. Thank you, man. Wick the kid. Appreciate you. Hate my job, high paying job, but it makes me zero time for truly learning Forex. What should I do? You have to learn to balance it. Having a high paying job is a privilege. And if you have a high paying, we can discuss this after stream actually. Probably going to wrap up stream now. You go live every night, every day? Yes, sir. Monday to Friday. We'll discuss this after stream now. You know what, guys? Yeah, Tradingview's been, yeah, good night, man. Hope you caught the trade with us. Take care. Appreciate you. Yes, sir. Amazing. Good night, my brother. Take care. First time here, this is GJ. Is there another opportunity to enter? I don't really care about the charts right now. Be honest with you. Done. Done my job. So guys, now that the job is done, we took a beautiful trade. Yeah, let's make it 350 likes before the end of stream. And yeah, I'm happy with this. How many hours you have the call? Just till it's relevant. And then we have webinars every single Sunday with the group. Those webinars are as long as I want them to be. And then after that, we have the New York session every Tuesday. And then after that, we also have the members host the New York session during the week. So, a lot of stuff. So yeah, guys, probably going to call the stream. Beautiful trade today. Thank you everyone for showing up as always. Pleasure to have you on stream. Don't force anything. It's coming towards the end of the month. Be happy where you are, you know, and call it like that. And yeah, you know, save your bullets for next month. And with that being said, guys, take care. Trade sharp. And hopefully, guys, catch you on the next stream. Again, I appreciate everyone showing up. Hopefully, catch you very, very soon. Catch you on the next stream. And peace.